hard-coated Can-Am windshield I've added. It gets ridiculously hot in the cab. Like if it's below 50 degrees outside, you absolutely cannot have that windshield on because you'll just throw up inside, it gets so hot. However, below 50 degrees, it is great. No scratches that we've had on it at all. I mean, I don't wipe the mud off, you spray it off with water, but it fits perfect. I couldn't ask for a better windshield. It was a little pricey, but everything Can-Am is. And you can see it just snaps real nice inside here. You can kind of see how it looks. And up top, you know, it also has these little clips that turn. But windshield, really amazing. You know, there was a lot of other options. I almost went with the Super ATV flip-up windshield, which I heard people had issues with leaking. So I went with full windshield, which we put on below, you know, 50 degrees. And other than that, put sunglasses on or goggles.